What's up? Andrew Pollock here, co-founder and CEO at LeadPops.com, doing a dartboard marketing video to talk to you about exit intent. And the idea with this is actually called exit intent triggers. So you may have seen this before. It's pretty popular in e-commerce, especially. You're on a site and you are ready to leave. As soon as your cursor goes off the screen or you tap that back button on the browser, something slides in and stops you, right? It's a pop-up, but it's done in a way that's not as intrusive, right? Because you're not in the middle of looking at something you're interested in. You kind of decided you're done, and it's kind of a last effort to stop you in your tracks and say, hey, wait, I've got something for you. The idea is that message should be compelling. It's supposed to stop people in their tracks. It's very effective in terms of kind of a last attempt to stop somebody and convert into a lead, or give them something that makes it possible for them to convert into a lead with that exit intent trigger. So most popular way this is done is a pop-up. It's also known as like a welcome mat, where it takes over like your whole screen. You have a good call to action message, and a lot of times it's a link to something else, or the button can even just close out that exit intent trigger just to keep people on the page that they're on. A lot of times it's an offer, it's a deal, it's download this guide, it's hey wait, you're almost done, don't leave yet, and you keep them on that page for as long as possible. So really popular again in e-commerce. LeadPops uses this. We get a ton of results from it in terms of stopping people from leaving our website and nudging them with a one last, hey, are you sure you want to leave? Here's something we can offer you to help you out or help you understand what LeadPops does even better. So we're users of this technology, super popular again in e-commerce, but you do see big players like LendingTree doing this on their forums. If you want to see it in action, I encourage you to look up something related to mortgage rates on Google. Click on LendingTree and you will see it happen. I'm not worried about the cost of clicks for LendingTree, they can afford it, but you will see it in action. You go through their forum, answer a couple questions, then you go to leave and they stop you and they tell you, hey wait, you're almost done. Are you sure you want to leave? You're just steps away from getting your free rate quote, and their button basically just closes out that exit intent and keeps you on the page. Super effective. Conversion rates on exit intents can be anywhere from like a 1% up to like 3%. So meaning 1,000 people hit your page. If you're at a 2% save rate with your exit intent, that's 20 people that would have just bailed, that ended up giving you their information and converting into a lead because you threw one last Hail Mary out there and they caught it. So that's the goal with exit intent, is just maximize your conversion opportunities. Don't let people just walk out your door without one last, hey, before you leave, here's something compelling. That something could be a lot of different things. Again, it could be like an ebook download. It could be, hey, sign up for our newsletter. And the one we like to use is a demo request. But that same kind of idea can apply to like a rate quote. It could also just basically, again, shut out the exit intent and keep people on the page that they're on instead of linking them to something else. So lots of different ways you can kind of mess with this stuff to optimize it and test out what works best for you. In the mortgage space, again, 20 extra conversions. Let's just use that number because it's a nice even number to work with. Over a 1 year period, that's 240 times you've converted somebody that would have left. You convert even, let's just say, 5% of those into a closed deal. You've made tens of thousands of dollars because you added a little snippet of code to your page that didn't let people just walk out the door, but did, again, engage them one last time. It's fully automated, it's super easy to use, and the best news is LeadPops is rolling out exit intent available on our websites and on our lead funnels. So you can actually stop people from leaving the lead funnel, you can stop people from leaving your website. It's built into our platform. We're releasing this in Q2 as an add-on to our product at no extra cost. It's built into the program. It's built into the tech. So lots of different tools that are out there available that just do exit intent that you can sign up for and you can use. I encourage you to check those things out. If you're a LeadPops client, it's going to be a built-in addition to the funnels product available right in your admin. You can generate the snippets of code and plug them in anywhere you want on your lead funnels, on your website, your landing pages, tons of different use cases. It will make you more money. It's a no-brainer. It's super easy and definitely worthwhile. Helps you help more clients is really what it comes down to. So Hope that's helpful. Check it out. You'll see this in action on a lot of sites you'll visit. Once you become aware of it, you start to see it in practice and you start to understand how you can use that same idea and that same functionality for your business. Very effective for mortgage, real estate, insurance, any kind of service provider can be doing some of the same things these big e-commerce websites have been doing and testing on consumers for a long time. Maybe you're not selling t-shirts, you're selling something that's higher ticket. Even more important to not just let people walk out your door. So hope it's helpful. If you like this topic, this content, if you have any ideas you want to share, please comment below, like and share this content with your sphere of influence. We appreciate that. It helps us so much. And I'll catch you again with another video.